When it comes to constructing a building in Noida Sector 62, it is crucial to hire the services of a professional building surveyor. A building surveyor plays a vital role in ensuring that the construction project adheres to all the necessary regulations and standards. They are responsible for assessing the structural integrity of the building and ensuring that it meets the required safety standards. Additionally, a building surveyor in Noida Sector 62 is responsible for conducting inspections throughout the construction process to ensure that the work is being carried out according to the approved plans and specifications. One of the key functions of a building surveyor in Noida Sector 62 is to conduct thorough inspections of the construction site. They are responsible for assessing the quality of materials being used and ensuring that they meet the required standards. They also inspect the workmanship and construction techniques to ensure that they are in compliance with the approved plans. By conducting regular inspections, a building surveyor can identify any potential issues or defects early on, allowing for timely corrective measures to be taken. In addition to inspections, a building surveyor in Noida Sector 62 is also responsible for reviewing and approving building plans and designs. They carefully assess the architectural plans, structural drawings, and other relevant documents to ensure that they comply with the local building codes and regulations. This includes reviewing the design of foundations, walls, roofs, and other structural elements. By doing so, they help ensure that the building is structurally sound and safe for occupancy. They evaluate the soil conditions, drainage systems, and other site-specific factors that may impact the construction process. By identifying any potential challenges or risks associated with the site, they can provide valuable insights and recommendations to mitigate these issues. To construct a building in Noida Sector 62, it is essential to use a professional building surveyor services. A building surveyor is essential in making sure that the construction project complies with all applicable laws and requirements. They are in charge of determining the building's structural soundness and making sure it complies with safety regulations. A building surveyor in Noida Sector 62 is also in charge of inspecting the work being done to make sure that it is being done in accordance with the approved plans and specifications. Conducting thorough inspections of the construction site is one of the main responsibilities of a building surveyor in Noida Sector 62. They are in charge of evaluating the caliber of the materials being utilized and guaranteeing that they adhere to the necessary specifications. Additionally, they check the quality of the work and the methods used during construction to make sure they adhere to the approved blueprints. A building surveyor can spot any possible problems or deficiencies early on by performing routine inspections, enabling prompt corrective action. A building surveyor in Noida Sector 62 is also in charge of analyzing and approving building plans and designs in addition to inspections. To make sure that the architectural design